But the question is, who is outsourcing labor? And in looking at the numbers that Tom shared earlier, I'm going to cover a few reasons of how outsourcing labor can tie into this. But, you know, the reasons for outsourcing labor may seem obvious or not. One of the biggest ones is managing your labor and your payroll. You know, the hills and valleys of projects that come across both within your local area and outside your area are just that. It's not level, it's not a steady growth, or hopefully certainly not a steady decline. And so the ability to manage your staffing without hiring and firing, but utilizing outsource, will give you the opportunity to both more effectively take on the projects that are within your area, as well as when you might have a customer come to you and say, we're opening up an office, and they're opening it up and it's the other side of the country, and now you're faced with a few options, whether it be taking your own staff and putting them on plane, whether it be trying to use your own network and then deal with somebody, an integrator, who then might take one of their projects ahead of one of your projects when the project time comes around. And the other is just to be able to increase the overall number of projects that you take on even within your local area.